Change has become the new norm in the world of business, and to stay competitive, your business needs to be agile. The words of Takeuchi and Nonaka still resonates. It takes more than high quality, low cost and differentiating to excel. And agility, with its 3 pillars, transparency, inspect and adapt, has become the new currency of success. In today's video, we deep dive into each pillar, understanding how transparency can illuminate your path to success, how inspect can fine-tune your business, and adapt make your business resilient in the face of change. So let's get started. So what is actually business agility? We all work in businesses, so that's clear, but what is agility and agile? And actually, when you look in the dictionary, there's 2 definitions of agile. The first definition of agile is the ability to move quick, easy, with grace. And the second definition of agile is to have a quick, adaptable, and resourceful character. And isn't that what we want to have in our business? I love the paper of Nonaka and Takeuchi where they talk about the new product development game. And they say the rules of the game in new product development are changing. Many companies have discovered that it takes more than the expected basics of high quality, low cost, and differentiating to excel in today's competitive market. It also takes speed and flexibility. And this quote is from their paper in 1986, but it sounds like it's from the year 2023. So let's dive into the 3 pillars of agile and how they can make you a more agile and resilient company in the face of change. So in transparency, we want to make things transparent for the organization so everyone can be aligned. So are your goals clear to the organization, to your team? Are your vision clear? And what is your team working on? Do you have your projects clearly made transparent? So we have the most important and most valued project or task at the top of your backlog. When you have your work transparent, you will clearly see on how many things are you working in parallel. And we want to limit our work in progress because then we can, as quick as possible, generate value for our customers, and then we continue with the next second most important project. And why should we do this? Because we as a team and we as people are not very good in multitasking. Actually, there is no multitasking, it's more task switching. So just imagine you're working on writing a story on one laptop and on the second laptop you're writing another story. That's just not possible. So it's task switching, and studies shows that the context switching costs so much effort for the individual but also for the team in combination. I recently was working for a company and they had 38 projects in parallel for 20 people, and the cost of switching and not finishing was like horrible for the organization. But we made it transparent, and with that they were able to make a clear priority and then work and finalize the projects at the top. So transparency is one very key pillar of agility. The second pillar is inspect. Are we inspecting our work continuously to receive feedback from our customers? Because only then we know if we are really working on the right things. So get that feedback and then also adjust your work priorities. Second, we also want to inspect our work. How are we working together in a team, and what are our current bottlenecks? How can we create work environment which is enjoyable but also productive? And also in inspect is how can we align our work to the goal of our organization and plan it every day. So to have, for instance, a quick daily meeting with the whole team where we focus on what's our goal and what's the actionable plan for today to go into the direction of our goal. And our third pillar is to adapt. So we want to see how fast can we adapt to changes and how quick can we get rid of our bottlenecks which we are facing, which doesn't create a good work environment yet. So we want to go from good to great. So how can we create such an environment where people want to work and where people thrive and can focus on the task at hand, so they can create massive value for your team and for your organization? And how quick can we adjust our backlog, our collaboration, our teamwork, our whole organization so it better fits the new demands which we are facing in a competitive and ever-changing environment? So now we heard about the 3 pillars of Agile: transparency, inspect, and adapt. But how agile is your organization? And we've created a quick audit where you can check in 3 minutes how agile is your organization. And you will get a personalized result page where you can immediately take actions to see what you can do to improve your business agility. If you like this video, please also check out my other video where I talk about output and outcome, and that your organization needs both to excel.